Hi, quick video here just to show you how to add a new stage into a workflow. So this is going to be adding a stage into our management accounts workflow. We can see on the dashboard here we've currently got 4 stages, and I'm going to add one in between the preparation of the accounts and sending to the client, and I'm going to call it kind of review stage. So to do that, we go into the workflow editor. So you get there by clicking on the config menu. You need to be a super user to have that menu, and click on edit workflow systems. We will drill into the management account system here, and on the routes tab we will see the visual workflow editor. So if we just scroll down, we'll see the blue rectangles on my stages. So we've got awaiting info. We've got to prepare accounts, and currently from to prepare accounts, when they click accounts drafted, we're going straight to send to client. So I'd like there to be a new stage in here. So what I will do is I'll actually edit this button here, accounts drafted. I've actually got a job card open as well here, so we can kind of link these up. So this job's currently on awaiting info. That's this stage here, and you can see that we've got 2 options here: info received, info requested and chased. Info received, info requested and chased. So let's just click info received, get us onto to prepare accounts, and there's the accounts drafted button. So on the stage to prepare accounts, and we have one step going from there, accounts drafted. I'm going to click to edit that stage, and rather than going to send to client, I'm actually going to ask it to create a new stage. And that new stage, the milestone is the text that you see over here. It's essentially what is achieved when the stage is completed. So my milestone will be job reviewed. My stage description, that is what we will see over here. It's like to prepare accounts. It's the list of stages you see here. So the stage description will be to review job, and then we have to choose what order we would like this new stage to have, and you simply do that by choosing a position in between existing stages. So mine's going to go in between to prepare accounts and to send to client. So we'll click save, and that's going to have updated. So now we have to prepare accounts, and accounts are drafted, and we're on a new stage to review job. We now need we need to join up with to send to client. We need a new step coming out of there. So I'll click on the plus icon. That's going to add a step in that goes from to review job, and we'll just join this up with to send to client, and we'll call this job reviewed consent, and we'll click save, and we should then have a visual that's fully joined up again. So now we're going to prepare accounts. Accounts are drafted. It goes to review job. We then click on job reviewed, and we can send to client. So if we just go back to my example job and quickly click refresh, we'll see our new stage in there. If we click accounts drafted, we go to review job, and when we click job reviewed, we go on to send to client. Just quickly refresh our dashboard, and we'll see our new stage in there. So that's the quickest way to add a new stage into a workflow. Important, of course, to keep an eye on your visual workflow editor. Check you've got a way of getting in there, which we had because we just edited our accounts drafted step. And of course, once you're there, you don't want to be stuck there, so you have to have at least one step coming away from there. If you want another option, really easy, just click the plus icon. So maybe we'd have an option that goes from to review job back to prepare accounts, and we'd maybe call this issues to resolve. So click save there, and we'll see we've now got the option jumping back to prepare accounts. And if we refresh our job card, I'm just going to undo that we've reviewed it. We'll see we've now got the 2 options there. Okay, if you've got any queries on adding stages or anything else about Glide, just click on the blue questions icon down here, all of your knowledge base in there, and you can also click ask and get in touch with the Glide team at any time. Thank you.